Alright guys, we're going to start doing the basketball break here. It's going to be 5 boxes total of update, 2 rookies and stars, and 2 threads from this year. Live on blog there. Here's the box. And I'm really just going to show, numbered cards and hits to the YouTube people, or the blog people, for the sake of time, because there's 24 packs. And each card will be shown on YouTube recorded, so. There are the packs right here to my left. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. First pack of updates. And we got base. Base. Second pack of updates. Move this over there. Got a rookie challenge of Brook Lopez. I guess we can show some of these inserts for the Nets. Base. Well, I am sending out numbered cards and hits. Numbered cards and hits are getting sent out. And all base. It is kind of uneventful so far. Base. Alright, first hits. Christmas cards for the Nuggets. Jersey of Chauncey Billups. Nuggets are on the board. Number to 499. Chauncey Billups. Base. That was just a rookie of Marcus Landry. Thought it might have been autoed, but it's not. Base. And nope, I thought it was auto too. Nope. Base. Look how much base there is in this thing. Steph Curry, rookie challenge, insert, and base. I do technically live in the South. We got another hit. Christmas cards of... For the Heat, Daquan Cook for the Heat. $4.99 jersey for the Heat. And base. That was another hit. I was wrong. Just a Nate Robinson playoff debut insert. Base. Anthony Morrow, rookie challenge insert, and base. You get 4 guaranteed hits, I think. Serge Ibaka, rookie for the Thunder, base. Brandon Jennings, rookie challenge insert, base. Little country music going on here. Andrew Bynum, Lakers legacy, insert, and base. Usually I hit an auto by now. I've opened a lot of these boxes too. Usually I get a couple autos in the top here. Got a hit. It's like for the Lakers. Jersey of Gary Payton. GP, are you with me? GP. This one is not numbered. Gary Payton jersey. Base. Alright, we got an auto. Let's slow roll the auto. Actually, I need to see where it is. Alright. There's a Taj Gibson insert. We got an auto of... Who's that? For the Kings and the Pistons, this will be random. Jonas Jerebko and Omri Caspi. Numbered 4/99 dual auto. Not too bad. Jerebko and Kings. So that'll be a random first auto out of the pack or box here. Base of Kevin Love or insert of Kevin Love. Base. Russell Westbrook playoff debut inserts. Still looking for... We have 4 hits, so anything else is just gravy. Oh, we got another hit here. Hey, look, Jerebko. Jersey. What did I called him? Jabako? Is that what I used to always call him? Jersey card. The Pistons. Marc Gasol, rookie challenge inserts. I'm not sure if you guys are interested in those, but all base. Alright, let's get one more auto. Come on. I've always gotten 2 autos out of this stuff. Nope. Lakers Legacy insert. Excuse me. 2 more packs, guys. This is a numbered card for the Jazz and the Bulls. Karl Malone and Scottie Pippen, numbered 4/99. That is a numbered card. And base. Last pack. Last pack. Come on, auto. No, only 1 auto. Wow, I'm actually kind of shocked. Only 1 auto in that whole thing. Robin Lopez, insert. And base. Alright, that's the first box of Panini that we're doing basketball here. Next one coming up.